working.
High five. Woo! High five.
Can I get a high five?
No.
That's smart though. The coronavirus.
Yeah.
Ain't no joke. Things are going down.
You ready to go?
Just gonna go get my hazmat suit real quick.
Cool.
Over the radio, someone said the satellite just went down into the sea. So I go. I felt
You're a big strong guy, but the guy might
He's a good salesman.
Looking for something for you, right? He's right about. I bought my wife the PK38.
This one here. What are your favorite meals?
You gotta cook and eat every day.
I don't know. Yeah, I'll start with this. I'm looking at a Tom Brown one. Can you see that one?
Yeah.
One more time.
And you can angle that all different ways. You can take that off, whichever way you want to have it. Micarta handles, 1095 carbon steel. Best overall bushcraft knife.
Why sell fear?
Because of the coronavirus?
Yes, because of the coronavirus. You know, yes, it is reality. Yes, the tornado was reality. But if you have to make money off of people, I mean, I do make money off of people, but I'm not going to gouge them.